guys, sorry about the background music, but I want to show you. Sorry. Okay, I'm watching TV, sorry. Okay, can you hear my voice? I'm leaning close to my mic. Sorry, you heard my breathing. Okay, I want to show you this really epic and awesome, yay, I finally got a raccoon tail, thanks to Ava. Thank you, Ava. No, I do not. I don't want to start that trade. Okay, we are going to her then. I want to show you it because I told her I would show her everything. I will show the audience, you guys everything about her then. Okay, let's give her a tour. Okay, this place is really cool. And here we are. Hi, say hi to the camera. Say hi. Okay, this area I really like. She made like a little rare area. Okay, this is okay, this is Ava, AVAA 77. Okay, here. She was the one who traded my tail armor. Traded my tail armor to have raccoon tail. And she made me really happy. Python garden. Well, I'm just gonna give you a little tour. To show. Can we give them a tour? Okay, here we go. We're gonna give you guys a tour.
Can you guys just give us a moment? Okay, but I was rolling. We're gonna have to do that again.
Okay. Okay, we are just gonna give you guys a little tour. Okay, this right here, I really admire her little work. Over here she has like a winter area, and then with this, we collect a garden. So if you can send us like a garden, I don't have a skull, ice, or Valentine's garden, so I'll collect it. Here we have her pot of golds. She's her Easter egg hunt. She did that. Okay, over here, I think is like a little gaming area. And her giant python. It looks really cute. I really love the work she puts into it. It's just so cool. She spent so long working to make this epic thing. You guys don't know how hard she works till you see her work in progress. And yeah, we're really good friends, and if you want to, I don't know if she's accepting buddy requests, But we were best friends from the start. Yes, it has gotten. It has. It has. I actually saw this thing on Epic's list 3 times, so I don't look so epic right now because I'm not wearing my worn. Yeah, I got a worn. Ooh. I just don't wear it with this outfit. It's purple. Doesn't look that cute. Yes, it has. Yes, it has. And then right here, she just has a little pool with a python in it. And well, guys, you're Banner, rare. Oh my gosh, she's awesome. Well, like always, I'm Peacock One, and I would like to say bye. And remember, drawing contest. Remember the drawing contest. We really have to get it over with. I just like making videos for you guys, and I'm making a video every day. The drawing contest goes till February 2014, so yeah. So bye.